Welcome to episode 8 of the Friday Lego Challenge. Today we built a boat and today we have hold on, let me just take that off. We got some treasure. We got those as the lights. We got a suitcase there. And the car from last video and the spaceship from a couple of the videos. And this, so like when they get on land, and we made a lot of boats so a lot of people can fit. There's a motor and a pilot, and he's driving, and the lights, and that's it for today. Bye-bye.